You're studying Italian. Everything's fine until you encounter them. Prepositions.
But how many are there? When should I use them? And how should I use them?
Don't worry, there's a course for you here. Fun, engaging, intuitive. Full of examples in real contexts. Learning has never been so easy. Welcome to the Mastering Italian Prepositions course. This course will teach you the most important Italian prepositions, when and how to use them. It consists of 10 lessons dedicated to the most commonly used Italian prepositions. Prepositions of place. Prepositions of time. Prepositions that express the cause of an action. Prepositions that express means. Quality and manner. Purpose. Company and relation. Price and measure. Prepositions that express the topic. And then a lesson entirely dedicated to the articulated prepositions, when and how to use them. Each lesson consists of a dialogue, during which you can learn the prepositions used in a real-life context. The dialogue is followed by an explanation of the grammatical rules, to understand when and how to use the preposition. Finally, for each lesson, there are exercises to put what you've learned into practice. In each lesson, you will find the transcript of the dialogue and a grammatical explanation, making it easier to follow. By purchasing the course, you'll receive a free printable calendar in 3 levels: basic, beginner, and intermediate. You will find grammar rules, vocabulary, and Italian idioms for each month. A fun way to learn Italian. For any questions or concerns, you can write to a dedicated email address and receive a response from an Italian language teacher. This course has been tested on YouTube and has received thousands of views and likes, already helping thousands of students. Enjoy your course and start using prepositions like a native Italian speaker.